Yep. So today, guys, well, right now I want to paint this mirror to match the car. So what I did was I used purple power to just spray this down and wipe it down, make sure it's clean. If I could find some primer, I'm gonna primer it and then paint it. But if I can't, then I'm just gonna paint it. Silver metallic. So, of course, you want to mask off the mirror. Just mask the mirror off, and then mask this out too. Alright, got it all masked off. It's ready. So I just did a first coat and add it facing this like this, and we're going left to right. Got the whole thing. And then now I'm gonna flip this the other way. I'll show you guys in a minute. So see now how I got it flipped the other way, and now I'm gonna go up and down.